Hello, good day from Sudhanshu. I have recently received a Comet invite so that we can experience the new Comet browser from Perplexity. Before getting the Perplexity, you can ask for the invitation. That is, you have to go to the URL perplexity comet.perplexity.ai. I am mentioning this URL in the description for you to directly go and click on it. Once you access this URL, you will be able to see two types of subscription. One is the max subscription, another is the regular subscription. Before doing that, you would have to click on Get Comet button, continue with your Gmail account. This is my Gmail account, so I'll continue with it. Once you continue, it will ask you to download the Comet browser. You can simply click on the desktop and download it. This is how you get the Comet browser. Once you have the Comet browser, verify on the upper side of the browser that you've completely loaded it. Once it is installed or loaded completely on your machine, Windows machine, then you can double click the icon and start installation. It will take some time for it to complete the downloading. Meanwhile, I can tell you that it is in competition with other browsers, the mainstream browsers, but this is something unique because this is AI based browser. What you can do with it is you can access ChatGPT and other Perplexity AI modules or LLMs directly within the browser. And once you access the websites, the results and entire search will be available within the window itself. We will be experiencing it together for the first time. We have not, even I have not seen the in a real life the Comet browser working. So this will be my first experience as well. As you can see, I am downloading it for the first time in front of you. So I am launching the Comet browser now. I am not gonna set it as the default browser. Let's hear the opening speech. Well, it seems a lot of stars and universe kind of a theme. Welcome to Comet. Comet is a browser. It's named browser. Get started. Okay. Unlock your personal assistants. Pick up where you left. Bring browsing history, settings, bookmark, passwords to Comet. Well, I'm gonna leave it as it is. I don't want to bring any of the profiles. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on do this later and name my new profile as PP, that is Perplexity. There are few themes over here. I will leave it as per the device settings and click on continue. I'm gonna uncheck because I don't want it to be the default browser as of now. Add Comet to your taskbar, that's okay. On your startup process, that's also okay. Help us improve with bugs, no, that's not required. I don't want to share my data. So I'll click on start Comet now. So well, hello friends. This is how Comet looks like. So I'm gonna click on continue so that I can continue and log in with my email address. Okay, let's say I just want to quit it. I don't want to log in with my Google email addresses because that will be like sharing password over AI. What best I can do is let's explore Perplexity. What's the default search engine? What happens if what we type in search bar? Let's say something as good as makemytrip.com. Because we generally do a lot of travel, so I am accessing this website. It's not sponsored. This is my first time that I am using Comet, so just want to experience it in regularity. Or let's open google.com because that's what we are habitual to. Once we reach here, we see an AI mode and general things. Okay, let's type something randomly. UGC net English to paper bank. Okay. Wow. So what it does is it directly takes me to the Perplexity AI LLM model and it searches the results through its own database and shows me the results. Here are the results. Let me figure out if it has given me the appropriate results. Presently, it should have given me a result that is Pegasus Net UGC Net. Let me just check out a URL. Pegasus UGC Net Chandigarh. Let's figure this out. Okay, here are the expected results. The website is scrolled and the entire data is visible. Well, this looks fast to me, and there are some useful hyperlinks available right here. This was the query, and this is now talking about the security aspect. We are not sure how much secure is Perplexity. There isn't any viewpoint on this from my side at this point in time, but I heard that some injection, some SQL type of injection can be done through it, and I'm not sure how it works, but it was there in news. So just it's just my personal view. So just exploring this website through Comet browser. What if I have to search something as good as Google services provider in Chandigarh? This is some random text. So every time we will have to search, we will get to the results where we reach Perplexity search engine basically. And here are the results. Okay. Well, it seems to be fast. It's certainly faster than the Chrome browser. That's something impressive. Or maybe it has letter cache at this point in time. Let's see other features. Launch voice mode. Okay, let's explore this one. Okay, accessing public and private network access this app. Comet wants to access. Firewall has blocked some of the common features. Okay, we're gonna keep blocking it because we don't want all of our data to go outside. So let's begin with the voice feature. Hello, can you tell? Oh, it is asking me to sign in. Is that mandatory? Okay, sign in to unlock voice mode. This is a step which is mandatory and would require your email address. I still don't want to give it because I am not sure whether it's 100% secure. Summarize the current web page. Okay, let's see what it does. Uh, Sign into Perplexity account to access Comet memory history and subscription benefits. Okay, we don't want that. Okay, well, this looks good to me. It has summarized the website. So we have a summary module over here. What if we have many pages and then we want to get, because this website was comprehensive on its home page itself. So we will visit a page which has information across multiple pages, and then we'll try to figure out whether summary gives us the correct resources. I'm gonna type Nandyavarth Consultancy Services. Nandyavarth Consultancy Services.com. Okay. Well, this website is short on first page but has lot of information in terms of services across their many pages. So let's see if it is able to figure out the information correctly for this. I have clicked on the summarize button, get the summary of the website. Okay, it has started scrolling the website. It says so and so and so and so and so. Operating system solution, credentials and partnership. Okay, additional resources. Well, it seems it has only given 1, 2, 3, 4 services, while the organization seems to have more services to its offering. Okay, and the source is, that is our website, and the steps are getting the source and reviewed the source and finished. Well, the assistant did not seem to have crawled the entire website. Let's visit another website, biodontia.com, because that is how it should initially work. So we are accessing another website which has limited information on the front page, but it has lot of information once you go to the sub modules of the website. Okay, so let's see whether summarizing this website gives us appropriate results. Summarize the current web page. Okay, I have clicked on it. I have to go back to the assistant. Okay, it's scrolling. It's scrolling. Well, as you can see, it has failed to give us the comprehensive knowledge of all the products. It has a Scudo product which is offered by Biodontia, which is mentioned over here. Let's see, Scudo. But this summarization of the website is not done correctly. So what it rather says is summarize the web page. So it's not summarizing the entire website. It's just summarizing the web page. If the data is limited within the web page, we can certainly go and read it without any further reviews. Well, that's how it is. So what else we can do is copy the URL, have some settings, add block, bookmark, and what if I want to describe the URL? Open Ministry of Spice.fr. Well, I did spoke it out, but then still we need to press the enter key on the keyboard to access the website, it seems. And it is not opening the website, rather, it is just giving us the hyperlinks. Well, this is the website of Ministry of Spice.fr. This is from the France. Okay. What if we access it through some other source? No idea. And do the websites appear on the first page of the search results? We have no idea what does the algorithm works like. Add to space, export to PDF are other options available with us, and we can have multiple researches, searches. Well, nothing exceptional is there until and unless we log in. Everything seems to be in similarity with the base browser that is used by Google also and Microsoft also, right? So this is how Perplexity looks like. Spaces discovery. Well, what we need to think in the broader prospect is what is our expectations. Do we need, okay, this seems similar to options available with the Chrome. As you can see, the menu matches this Chrome browser. Sorry, menu matches this three icon menu over here with all the options. So there is nothing exceptional about Comet according to me. And its search result engines are also dependent on how what LLM is used, because it is not scrolling the entire website. Let me ask and query another question. Which is the best? Can it generate images? Let's figure it out. Create an image to wish good evening from Sudhanshu. Let's see how effective it is. Oh, it's again asking me to log in. We don't want to give out our credentials at this point in time. So it seems I'm gonna miss out on this feature, whether it generates an image or not. Okay, here it is. It's fast. The best thing about Comet is it's a fast that other models that I am not sure whether these are images generated by artificial intelligence or these are just fetched images. It seems these are images which are fetched from other sources as mentioned over here, and none of them are actually generated by the artificial intelligence. That's a poor step. So, as you can read, well, that's the way you can access Gemini. Oh, sorry, Perplexity. I'll mentioning this URL in the description for you to directly go and click on it, and then you will be able to access it as per the video. Have a good day. Bye bye.